Now we will continue with insert menu. We'll discuss about the options related to header and footer and some of the options in text category. Now header and footer. If you want to give some headings at the top of each and every page, we have to go for header. If you want to give headings at the bottom of the page, we have to go to footer. Header refers to top of the document. It is shown with orange color. Observe here. Footer refers to bottom of the document. Then go to header and different templates are available here. When we are in the header, suppose let us move to top of any page. We are in the second page. I move to top of the page. Then you click on header. Select which type of heading you want. We are having some templates. Click here. Now type the document title. Click with mouse here and when we are in the header and footer, we'll get header and footer tools. Under header and footer tools, we are having design menu with different set of commands. Now we given header at the second page, but it will be automatically given to all the pages in our document. The advantage of header is if you set headings for only one page, we'll get the same heading for the remaining pages. When we are in the header or in the footer, this is called document text. The document text will be represented with gray color. This one is highlighted in order to identify that we are working with header. Again, to get back from header to this document text, you double click on the text. Here mouse pointer is here. I am double clicking here. Now it is represented with header is represented with gray color and document text is represented with black color. Now to move to header, suppose if you want to make some changes to this header, double click on the header. Again header and footer is highlighted. Okay. If you want to insert footer, go to footer, click on footer. In footer usually will represent the number of pages like that. Here we are having some templates. We can click, suppose 3 columns I am clicking. We are having 3 columns here. Here if you click, whatever the text you want to type, you can type. Suppose I am typing like this. Here if you want to type something, you can type. Now here if you want to insert page numbers, in the header and footer tools design menu, you go to page number, and as we are here, you go to current position. In whichever the way you want the page numbers, different styles are available for the page numbers. Select that page style so that we'll get the page numbers automatically. As we are in the second page, page 2 we got page 1 like that. These headings are common for all pages. This heading is also common, but this number changes from one page to another page. Similarly, if you want to insert date and time, suppose here I am removing the word BTech. I want to insert date and time. Click here, whichever the date and time style you want, that style you can select and you click on OK. Then date will come same to all Word document pages. Then quick part. In the quick part, we are having some titles like abstract, author, category, comments, company, like that. For example, we are in the CSC. Suppose I am deleting this word. Now I am go to author, the author name. The author name means the name of the user is coming as recording, because now I am working with recording user. Now I am removing this. Now go to click parts. Then I am giving company. Okay, company is not presented. Okay, like that we can go to quick parts and we can building blocks organizer, means we'll get some more information like this. Okay, suppose I want to get the username. The name of the user is recording, and click on insert. Now picture and clip art. Suppose now we are not able to work with picture. It is not working because our cursor is inside this text. Suppose we want to insert picture at the top of each and every page of our document. For example, logos, company logos. Then mostly logo will be presented at the top of the page. Now as we are in the footer, go to footer option is not working. Go to header is working. Now we are in the footer. To move to header, go to header. When we are in the header, go to header option is not working. Go to footer is option is working. Now in the header, instead of taking only one column, let us take 3 columns here. Here I am typing as here we want to insert picture or clip art. Clip art means only the MS Office collected pictures we can insert. If you want to insert our own picture, let us go to pictures. Whichever the picture we want to insert, that picture we have to select and click on insert. But the picture size is very big. That's why the entire header is coming. So if you make the picture sizes small, suppose here under picture tools, under format, I am reducing the picture height and width to 1, so that we'll get small picture as header. Then here whichever the text we want to, we can. Suppose I want to insert date and time like this. Now our header is having 3 columns. So this logo will come to all the pages. Okay. While working with header and footer, if we don't want to see the document text, we have to click this option so that the document text is hidden, so that we can clearly view header and footer. Once after we set header and footer, then click on show document text, then we can see the text within the document. There are some margins left for header. Header means from the top, and to the footer. Footer means from the bottom. It is set to 0.49 inches. The symbol represents inches. Quotes symbol represent inches. Now if you want to reduce or if you want to increase, you can increase from here. Better to keep 0.5 or 0.45, not more than that. If you keep more size for header and more size for footer, we'll have only some space, little space left for representing the document text. So better to keep up to 0.5 or below 0.5. Okay. Then switch on the show document text. After working with header and footer tools is finished, then you click on close header and footer, or keep the mouse pointer over document text and double click. Okay, go to insert, and page number we already discussed that if you want top of the page or if you want bottom of the page, you can go to the, suppose if you want page numbers at the bottom of the page, we are having already page numbers. If you take a plain file, like suppose I took file, let us take file 2. Now we want only page numbers at the bottom of each and every page. Then go to insert and page number, where we want either top of the page or bottom of the page. At bottom of the page, at which side, there are different themes are available. Whichever we want you can take. Suppose if I selected page 1 of 1, I am preparing some more text. Now we got 2 of 2. 2 refers to we are in which page. 2 refers to total number of pages available in our document. 1 of 2. We are in the first page and totally 2 pages are available. Okay, instead of setting the page numbers from header and footer, in the header and footer toolbars, the option is page number. Directly we can set from here. If you require only page number, better to take the help of this option. Then coming to this category, the text category, if you want to take some text box, suppose in between these paragraphs I want to keep some important note, we can take text box. Different formats of text box are available. I am selecting this one. If you want, you can decrease the size or increase the size, as well as width as well as height we can. If you want to specify the exact width and height for the text box, here we are having under text box tools format menu. Suppose I want height as 1 and width as 6. Now we got height as 1 and width as 6. Now type which information we want, that information. For the timing, I am copying this text and I am pasting here. Now the text is hidden, the paragraph text is hidden behind this text box. Now click here, now click enter. Now observe the mouse pointer, 4 direction arrows are coming. When that symbol is presented, we can move the text box to whichever the place we want. If this arrow is presented, then we can increase the height. If this arrow is coming, we can increase the width of the text box, or we can decrease like that. Similarly, quick parts. We already discussed quick parts in the header and footer section. Suppose we are preparing some text in the document like this. The author of text is. Now I want to write the author name of the text. There are 2 ways. One way is we can directly type the author name, or we can directly take from here, quick parts, and go to document property, or the author name is recording. Okay, because I am working with the user named recording, it is coming. Similarly, in the fields we are having some options, like suppose all are presented in the alphabetical order. If I selected date, select the date format you want, you click on. So instead of typing the date, we can directly get from quick parts and from the field. Practice with these options also. author name, initial name. When you are working with text book, if you want to insert bibliography, we can take this format like this. There are other categories are presented. And get more on Office Online. If you want to get some more quick parts from internet, we have to click on. Now it is trying to connect to internet, but we are not having internet connection. We can't get quick parts from online. Okay, we'll continue in the next lesson. This coming cannot locate the internet server. Okay.